So today I did something that very few wives and very few women would want to willingly do, which is go through boxes to find things for an exhibit that literally came out of a barn find. So stay tuned. There were treasures in there, but some of it I had to put on my mask and my big girl panties and say, okay, we can do it. But a couple things I said, okay, Lonnie, this box is for you. So stay tuned and see what we found. Okay, so this box here was one of the ones that I put my foot down and said, no, this one's for you. So what are you finding in here, Lonnie?
A lot of non-Apple modems.
So you just never know what you're going to find. So we have to go through all these boxes of things that have not been gone through for years to make sure there's nothing that we need.
This is kind of cool.
Yeah, what is that?
This is actually like a prop. So it's not a real thing. We'll have to research that and see if they were used in stores or exactly what they did.
Okay, that's funny.
Yeah. Here is a Newton keypad.
Well,
Case is just too nasty.
Thank goodness for the case, because look how pretty it is inside.
Yeah, I mean it's basically pristine.
Oh my gosh. Did that
The
go
box it's in is just
And this is
unbelievable.
like a fake Newton or whatever. That would be
Right.
for a showroom. So it would go with that one. Ooh.
Let's see.
True barn finds. So one of these collections actually came from a museum. Where was it, Lonnie? North Carolina?
In North Carolina.
But it was pretty much, was it in a barn or?
A lot of outside storage.
Right, which is really not great. It makes you so sad to think that this is the way some of the things were stored. But, and how long ago did you purchase that collection?
A very long time. At least more than a decade ago,
Yeah, we see it's PK, pre-Karen, so
for sure.
that's at least 12 years.
Okay, this one should clean up.
If we need it. We may already have a better one, but it's always,
Yeah, I don't know where the
You never know.
style is. Maybe we'll find it in here. There's a Newton base. Disgusting.
well, at least the batteries aren't in it, which is
True.
often the case. So what was that for? Would that charge
This
it?
is a message pad charging station.
Okay, I've never seen that before,
Mm-hmm.
which doesn't mean much. What's in the bottom of that box?
What was left of some animals living here.
Oh, nice. Again, I should get the prize of the best wife right now.
Oh, you are. Truly.
So how many of you women out there are feeling for me right now? It's a Sunday afternoon, and this is what we're doing, but it has to get done. So a lot of people think that we have a lot of people that do this for us, which we do. The museum does have people that clean artifacts and do what we're doing, but this is part of our personal collection, so we are usually the ones that are going through things to find things that will one day go on display. But I have to keep this mask on because, ooh, what's in the air is pretty gross.